On today's episode of MotoCheez.
What's up, you cheesy bastards? Today we got a thermal label printer. I use this all the time, especially, first comment gets a free MotoCheez key tag. I needed one for my Florida location, so this will work perfect. See what's in the box. Much different than what I'm used to. I normally get the rolls. Looks like a USB to a printer style cable. Power. Directly to the unit. So the power supply is built in the unit. Drivers on that little CD-ROM. It's the SP410. So this is nice if you want something that's more portable. But it looks like you can get the roll label holder for the back if you'd like. If you have a small business, or even a larger business, you know how much these things are. They can get quite expensive. There's your thermal print head right there. And a few sensors to see whether it has paper. Drive roller. Paper width adjustment.
A few moments later.
Let's get this connected here down in Florida. I got a winner of a free key tag that has to go out. You would think that this paper would be laid out the way it's going to pull off like an accordion. It's not. Well, let's see what it does. Maybe it'll find the drivers automatically because I don't have a CD-ROM on this, or DVD, or any kind of disk drive. It switches on the back. Didn't pick anything up. So it is picking it up already under USB. Oop, I hit the button. That was me. DPRT SP410. Well, let's see if it prints. So we did pick it up automatically because it's a USB to serial converter, so it'd be a serial device. Let's create a label on PayPal. Congratulations on the key tag for being the first comment on a video, David from Topeka, Kansas. Let's see if it's in here. Oh. Let's go to the book. It's a little more complicated when it's a serial style printer, of course. www.idprt.com. Recommends shutting off security software, but I'm not going to. Driver, thermal printer, SP410. See, it has Windows, Mac, and Linux. Windows we're doing, of course. We'll see if it'll extract and run here. Do you want it to make changes to your device? Yes. English, license grant, warranty, liability, accept, install printer driver, install, setup is finished installing label printer, click finish to exit setup. There it is, ID print. Let's see if it does it without any extra settings. Looks good to me. Alright, Dave, you're going to get your free key tag with the first print off the label printer. Pretty good resolution. Nice and crisp. And there it is. Like I was saying before, these are pretty expensive. And this one here, at time of recording, this was $139. That's a pretty good deal. So if you're looking for a pretty inexpensive thermal printer, I recommend this. It's fairly easy setup. It's small and compact. I'll have the links down below, with a discount code, of course. Thanks for watching my cheesy videos.
But wait! There's more!
Got another order. Perfect. Thanks, Nathan. Your order will go out tomorrow. Nice.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.